How's it guys? I'm from Slip No More. My name is Reinhard and today we're going to talk about antibacterial cleaner. So what this basically is a general purpose antibacterial cleaner which is perfectly suited for all hard surfaces including tiled floors and even concrete floors. It's got a high pH level, and what that basically means is it's a heavy duty cleaner that you can use in hospitality and in medical industries. To curb the spread of the COVID-19 virus, you can use this cleaner to wipe down trolleys, the trolley handles, handrails, countertops, and you can even wash your floors with it. So the uses of this cleaner is to prevent the actual spread of the COVID-19 virus. It's for cleaning of hard surfaces and degreasing of heavily greased floors. You can also use it as a preparation for when you do anti-slip treatments on tiled floors as well. So the application of the cleaner, it's applied in a concentrated format. So that means that it has to be diluted with water. So for general cleaning, that's your normal household cleaning or daily cleaner, it's 1 part of cleaner to 10 parts of water. And then in high traffic areas for more dirty floors or countertops that needs to be cleaned thoroughly, you can mix it 1 part of cleaner to 5 parts of water. Thank you guys. So that's the info on our antibacterial cleaner. All the info will be on our website. Thanks.